hậu ý tu này tao chuột sao là ý wo xie zì zì giờ tu này chỉ nói là lo xì chỉ ở ba hồ cho ý bé đua li chê hồ đầu California có thể ba chuột sao đó ý gì bùa ý bao nó ý tu này trả lù mong bác hệ tiệt ý tu này mua bữa trưa xong lại thiệt nên nhà li cha nè hay giờ ba tàu rồng giờ có mua luôn bể chua khé trâu thầu có hồ bé nè hòn tàu bảo trà từ cứ tế sở tông thiên lý bảo tiệt có khó tê mình giàu chơi bảo trà bao tu ninh ta tỏ nhỏ li trà là sư chí thế có từ sở tông thiên bề lấy thiên hồ tàu tuôn cho có thả có cho mua sự chênh gì lợ.
Our mission is building communities of hope with new Americans. It's not enough, although incredibly exciting, when we support individual people to be successful in Fresno and beyond. We won't stop until all of our refugee communities are healthy, housed, safe, and informed. FIRM is located across the street from the Somerset apartment complex because the residents there asked us to move here to be the Somerset Community Center and even helped us write the grant to get the money to buy this building and refurbish it. FIRM's community building programs provide outreach, education, advocacy, and organizing in our communities. FIRM is a HUD-certified housing counseling agency. More recently, we've organized to stop Asian hate, working with our city of Fresno to build solutions to support our elders.
As a contracted resettlement agency, we are now able to start walking with refugees from day one. FIRM's staff is incredibly diverse. We speak
Arabic, Dari و Pashto, Hmong,
Khmer,
Lao,
Samoa,
Spanish.
Russian, and Ukrainian.
We need the same access to service and services that everyone else does in our language and in ways that understand our culture.
Whatever obstacles a refugee or immigrant family is facing, FIRM is here, ready to listen, respond, and co-design systemic solutions together.
Nhớ rằng tôi nên cho ôn nhiều ớt gì thì ý chúng sai sẽ đờ chúng chia chạy to nên thì là còn hậu phần với share trong Hmong TV network ôn đây nó sẽ hay lo lù nhớ rằng chúng chia cho nên ý chúng sai sẽ đờ và thế cái chia thì chúng ốp hành ngọc lâu nó nên cho tụi nhà nó cá nhớ rằng thì cô nhà luôn xin gì ấy còn nên cho giá tư là cái này tao dàn đờ nhớ rằng tao nói cái số thọ ý thân sai của họ lựa cho họ còn hậu firm cứ lúc thay đổi communications manager ấy giờ li nó lúc nào cô dùng share hay thì cô tao cũng này đùa dùng nó giờ thời gian của cô tao chuyển trên mua được không thì nó này giờ ấy cô dùng share cho cả lần trên này đùa ấy giờ li nó lúc nào cô giờ in hút chữ sinh thì đầu bây lúc còn hậu vì hệ tiếc dùng ốp hành ngọc lâu nó bây lúc còn hậu firm cô chỉ ra tao bây giờ lúc dùng cho chúng nó bây lúc còn hậu firm cô giờ lúc còn hậu luôn là giờ thì lúc community based organization chỉ nhớ chú ý cho bộ cho cháu lâu chú sinh ở ba bên hình tới đó xử lý về hải ninh không là gần được mình cả cái refugees này ạ giờ giờ nó chú nó bị có mua bé cho chồng là em nó có thể là giờ ít nó chưa sáng vì hệ thì của cô tổ chờ bé cho program manager rồi thì giờ này sẽ cho program nhưng mà bây giờ còn hậu tua thì dây thì mua khi sau lời từ khi cho nên báo thế chỉ ta lên đó là cô giờ khi mình chỉ hết thì bây giờ còn hậu chứng cử số tí lịch giả khi tao bé cho lối xong nó bé cô ô tô từ đã chỉ là ba lưu cho thế là ba bên hình thơ cho là dàn ba refugees chỉ ông đây của cho nên muốn chỉ là nó cô sáng mới ý lo lù ở trong đó đâu cho nên giờ ông nhiều gì phun yi sợ đời ở nhau đây nhau gì và cô tôi sẽ cháu của họ firm là em bé thấy nhau tôi khó tao nên không nó giờ li nó tất cả của cho nên muốn chỉ này bé cho program manager ta là này chỉ bé từ executive director là giờ thì tụi này lo ở sẽ chủ tan thọ bé lúc cùng họ là cô tôi thế anh ấy họ chỉ người ta này cái cũng mà đi tất cả lần chỉ này đùa ý chuyện gì để nó cái số thọ bé muốn chỉ là tao
Hi, nhớ cho nó thông tin từ đại nó cũng bé hoa Paula cha của nhà ý từ program manager tôi bé lúc cùng họ hoa firm tôi firm Fresno Interdenominational Refugee Ministries nhớ đó họ lưu cho Fresno nó thế đã nói chị Christine Barker này từ Executive Director về firm nó nói tôi hay ở bên là lừa đâu bên cho nên gì nên cho nhóc bé chế là nên cho nó bé để sao tôi cho này So Christine, why are we here today?
Paula, we are here because we are celebrating FIRM's 30th anniversary. FIRM just turned 30 years old. Can you believe it?
So, nó biết tôi nó đã có hai tia bây giờ cái đó chúng ta tự bảo hai tia xong nó chạy firm tự do bây giờ xong bây giờ khi bây giờ trong đó họ lúc giờ Fresno nó mất tao bây giờ xong rồi. So what else do you want to tell us what we've been doing for the last 30 years here in Fresno?
Yeah, so we wanted to come and bring some of our leadership team at FIRM to on this special episode of our regular Hmong TV show to think back on the lots of different things that FIRM did over the past 30 years and also tell you a little bit about what we're hoping to do in the next 30 years of our life as an organization.
So bây giờ khi chúng ta tự bảo hai tia tự bây giờ xong rồi tao bây giờ xong nó bây lúc có họ nó họ ba thế sau tao bây giờ hai nên Hmong là hai nên Blo là bây giờ community nhá họ Fresno nó tao đi chào rồi thế sau khi chúng ta tự hai tia toàn đây nó nè firm sau ở đi chào thế ấy có nên sẽ đầu tiên lắm luôn.
But Paula, I think you can tell us more about how FIRM began, because I've known FIRM since about 2007, but you've known FIRM even longer than me. So why don't you tell us a little bit, like how did FIRM begin and where did you come into this work?
Yeah, so nếu cô hai tia firm họ bí lý cha đó có hai tia cô yên ở tàu họ luyện tế đó họ firm nè, để channel là nếu từ executive director đó mà cô ya từ ít tuần sai kia là lúa họ xí nè, đó mà cô yên ở tàu họ luyện tế họ là lúc họ firm nó từ bí bắt đầu xong ít xe cho lâu rồi nè, thì tia mà từ bí lúc họ nó mà nữaตัวtemporary assignment ซึ่งเราไปอยาก temporary assignment นะเจเนื้อตัวย่อมันสิลีเอาไปลีนดอไปจนแห่งท่อนหนาเนาะใช้ให้เนื้อสับเนื้อปอให้แต่ไปจนแห่งท่อนหนาเนาะเยอะนี่แกป้าลิจานะนะเจเนื้อตัวย่อต่อจอวินัยเนื้อจะเจ apartment จอวินัยเนื้อจะเก winery แท้ Kings Canyon นะเจในยังเป้าให้แต่พวกเท่าอีเท่าจะมั่วไปจนเนี่ยจีมองจะจ้องเลยเนี่ยเขา fresh เนาะนะเจฟิงเต้าจะไปจะมองถึงนี่เนาะจะเจ apartment แต่ละไปยอดเจเนื้อตัวเนาะแค่เนื้อจะ apartment แต่ที่เจเนื้อปอให้เตียไปจนหนึ่งท่อนหนานอนนี่แกป้านเต้าหยานเต้าจานะเจเนื้อตัวเนาะเจเนื้อจะได้จีตะก้าไปเจนะเจเนื้อเทลิว่าเต้าลูกก็ hauv firm เนาะthầu anh đây nữa là chị nữ ít tu sư thế nào chị nữ ba thọ nhiều là nữa cho chơi cho chúng là nè chị cho chơi nó bỏ hay thế ô nữ lúc chị mua ba bé cho nên thon nào nó nhưng do thế chị lại thấy mua nhiều rồi nữ thấy biết tao lúc có hậu thầu im mà lúc có hậu nó mới mê xí nè chị nữ bỏ hay thế bé cho mình tứ mình nhỏ lâu thằng đó lỡ chỉ chôm luôn luôn nó theo bây giờ lỡ chỉ cho cần đỡ theo chỉ chôm luôn luôn theo trên nửa sáng trái có cái ba để cho mình nhỏ hết cho nét gì nè chỉ nên theo li là ở đó lúc có hauv firm nó chỉ biết theo li lo đâu tại xin nó là chỉ tại xin nó chỉ bắt đầu im mà thầu ít ở chia lâu này này ấy cho nên thằng nào tôi bị thay tế tôi nè bị what talk about nè thằng đó mà bây giờ chú sĩ lo, và tao bây giờ chỉ bây tao ít khó nhiều lần đó county lo, chỉ thằng đó chỉ có những người lừa đó firm thế, chỉ có từ ít tuần sai kia có program hay tiệt, yêu hay tiệt này tôi thằng nhiều sản khâu nè nè, chỉ bị county, lấy chú sa này tôi cỡ họ lừa đó firm nè nè. Chị cũng yêu từ kia có program đó kia cho nên thôn nào đó hay tiền này tôi cho mình cả tên nào rồi này muốn chia hơi lử lịch trả này muốn sắm pha lịch trả này mà tế là cho lử lịch trả thế nên sẵn thiệt cho họ lửa chỉ ua thế thằng đó mà thằng đó bây giờ bị gì cơ liao cho nên cho nên thằng nào này khó tua thọ và ta không bảo tua na chỉ biết khi chúng mình sẽ tu hay tiệt dùng một thiệt họ lửa dùng chuyện chơi cha dùng mộtสัมภาษณ์một interview là yêu chủ tế là chơi lù lý cha thế yêu một là yêu chủ nào khăn chơi lý cha một từ cho nên thế là cả trái yêu thế chỉ bên ba cho nên chỉ mong đào lên đào tưởng cho tôi hơi lười nhá học Fresno nó chỉ tại sao nó chỉ cứ cho hơi lười chỉ cứ yêu từ là nên bảo hay là bây giờ tàu áp dụng nó bên mua con hay có mà COVID có chua nó bây giờ chỉ tại sao nó chỉ cứ yêu từ là khía cái program đó cho chua new Wednesday thầu mong chấp lo mong ta xuống đó bên khi bên học clinic nó mà giờ cho chúng mình sẽ tự tôi cha cái chua rồi COVID có chua rồi bên khi tàu chỉ áp dụng nó là thế tại sao nó chỉ những cái hay của những khía khó là luôn đó Christine, I was just giving them a little spiel on how FIRM became and what I'm doing now. But what are your hopes for the future in the next coming years for FIRM?
So I think we are so excited to continue the work of the clinic and working for health equity for Southeast Asian communities. And to make sure that people can talk to their doctor in the language they feel most comfortable with, that everyone can learn about how to manage the conditions that the doctor says that they have. And we're also going to be welcoming new refugees to Fresno from other countries, from Burma, from Venezuela, from Guatemala, from Syria, from Afghanistan, from Ukraine. And then I'll talk some more about the future.
So, ni pia cũng nói hay tia tận đây nó nữ xã có firm lu những mua giờ lịch trả nè chỉ nữ những hay tia tại sao nó bây giờ nó bây giờ clinic có cái chỗ nữ những xã có thôn giờ tụi tôi cha chơi thì Thái cóอยู่ซ้อมmua tên đó nè thếอีกprogram เป็นมั่วลอยอยู่hay tia khi chẳng nhật sĩ hay tiaอยู่mua qua đóอยู่từ này màu nó cóอยู่bảo tên đó tới từ này màu hay đóอยู่thế giờอยู่bảo là những mua khỏi những mua cho chạy cho cá mình nông từ này màu cóอยู่to tấu hay tia nữa từ này màu giờ bây tới mua được tôiอยู่đi chợ nè con program nóเป็นมั่วthế này ít không mà nữa hay tiaแต่ฉันมาไปป้าจันยังท่อนน่ะตัวจะชัวหรือรู้ได้เฉยตัวน่ะแต่ฉันจะยังก็ประทานให้ตัวไปเบอร์มาตัวซีเรียกัวเตมาลาจะแล้วตัวชัวเขาเฉยตัวเลยหรอพวกถอยมาไปป้าจันยังมองไอ้ตัวไทยได้ตัวสนับไปอยากแต่ฉันจะไปป้าตอนเตารู้ได้เฉยเลยนั่นน่ะ
And we know that Fresno is a great place to start your life in the United States, and so we're so excited to be able to welcome people for the first time when they first arrive from the refugee camps or wherever they've been living.
Chính thì thằng nào tốt cho được phải rằng mà những cái bây giờ mong thôi là bây giờ bố bé camp sẽ là gì tại sao nóจะไปป้าทีมยิ่งมันต่อเลยไปใช้ยังของthếต่อแล้วเราเฟรชnóจะไปยิงมั่วจะapartment จะ house เลยตาจะต่อแล้วไปใช้ยังของจะยักษ์ขาสามยิ่งป้าให้แต่ไปรู้จักเฟรชnóยังให้รู้จักยงเฮงเดี๋ยวจะเนี่ยจีเลยปีเลยนั่งเชียร์เนี่ยจะเขาเฟรชnóเนี่ยจะเขาอเมริกาเต้นนั่นนะ
And the last piece that I want to talk about is that since the very beginning, I know Sharon and others, it was very important to them that we make sure that policymakers hear from refugees and hear their stories and hear their voices. And so FIRM will continue to do advocacy and resident leadership development. Just like we have from the very beginning, we will continue that work into the future.
Chị tập cái program, bây lúc có hậu na, bây yên do ít lúc có hậu ba cho nên họ dây dò nó ba do lúc xóa rồi lỡ mua đồ bể cho lúc chạy lo tên đó nè tận đây nó tập bây lúc có hậu FIRM nó bây yên xã continue ว่าจะเขาหรือนอนไปลูจอเขาเฟรสนอนจอเนี่ยสิอยู่ให้เตียในสันนี่ละชีเก็บป้าเลยจะเราตัวถ้าไปถ่ายไปมาชิป้าเองก็จะเน่งว่าจะ policy นอก็เลยป้อมลงเทียแล้วป้อให้เตียไปลูก community เนาะนี่ก็เลยป้อให้เตียไปนี่เก็บป้าเลยจะเทียนั่นนะ
And part of that work is also we continue to work with the Thao family to honor the memory of Ning Thao and every yearship in his honor to support the next generation of leaders from our community and for our community.
เป็นลูกเขาfrom not ทัวร์ชงเป็นยังมั่วขอ scholarship เดอไปจะตู้ใช้หลวงกับ high school ตานะเอจะตัดต่อยมูปีแล้วนั่นเองมูเกิด college ไปชิคอนดอเน่งท่อเจนเองนะไปขอ scholarship เนาะนะเจไปยิงเทียอีตู้ใช้หลวงละกับป้าเป็นจีเนียร์เลยกับเลยมูปีโตแล้วขอแล้วมูก็เตอso the Ning Thao family has been part of firm for
since 2017.
Okay.
Yeah.
ที่เขาออกพาก็ชาลอแล้วนะเจNing Thaoนะเนี่ยย่อให้แต่เนี่ยจ้าเนี่ยย่ออีตัวเอเนี่ยต่อตัวเกิดเตีย high school นะแต่ชมาเนี่ยเขามูได้เจเนี่ยเขาเสียเลยเจ firm เจลีลอนดอนเนี่ยเจนเองเนาะว่าเขา scholarship หน่อยว่าเขาเกยอดส่วนหนึ่งนะเอกขนาดจะย่อมว่าจะไปจะตุ้นใช้ลัวเอตอนเตนเราถอดเรามาเกิด college เลยกับป้าเช่าเตาเลยไม่เมนนะ
And this year we're publishing Ning's book, so stay tuned for that too.
เท่านี้จะย้อมมานี้ชาวเตาอีพงเตอร์นะพงเตอร์เนี่ยมาตื้อfirm ยอดตัวป้าเนี่ยเจนเองช่วงน้อนะเจจงก็ตัวมอวัดเตียตาเลยใช่นะเจยมมัวชาติเราช่วยจะตัวให้ได้ยังไงใส่ยอพงเตอร์นะเจนี่ฮะติดต่อที่จะเจนี่เทลียต่อพงเตอร์นะ
We continue to be the Somerset Community Center, and we continue to help people with housing issues through housing counseling and to help people get resources for whatever they're eligible for to help them stay in their homes.
เป็นลูกเขานะfirm นะเป็นยอเกี่ยชาเกี่ยตีเกี่ยนะเป็นยอมั่วอีจะเจพอมาหัว Somerset นะเจปวดหัวอีมาไปเจนจีมองจะจ้องย้อนเดินไปยอดแต่ชินอมายังก็ชมมัวเลยแต่ชิมาไปยังยอเลยไปยังยออีลูกของเขาเองเลยยังตัวเองนี่เก็บป้านั่นตัวยาเลยยังก็จะต้องได้เลยจะแมวสัตว์ตัวยาจีตั้งแต่ป้าเทียเก็บป้าได้เลยยาในนี่เลยจ่ายเก็บป้าใช้ได้เลยเที่ยวตอนนั้นเดินเป็นลูกของเขาเนาะยาเป็นมั่วอีลูกprogram หัว head certified housing ขนาดเจเป็นมั่วอีจะ counselor เลยตื้อเกิดแต่ตารอพวกไปเฮ็ดรอให้แต่ในมั่วquestion ชิ้นน้องซอจังก็ใน teach ตอนนี้ว่าแต่เจเราให้แต่ในเจนเศร้าเจย้อใน teach ตอนในยอวริจาที่เดินนะเจเป็นลูกของเขายังมั่วจะ counselor ละป้าในเทีย
Anything else we should talk about, Paula?
Well, let's see. I think just letting the community knows that we've been here for 30 years. Is there anything else you would like to add?
As a part of our 30th year celebration, we are hoping to hear stories from all of you about FIRM or about Somerset or about any of the projects that we've worked on together over the years. And we know that we would not be FIRM without all of you. And so I just want to say wachawa, like thank you for all of your support and all of your trust. And we look forward to the future together.
ตัวขอเตียไปอยู่ celebrate ไปขอไปเจ้าชงนอนยอหัว first นอนนะยอให้เตียนี่ตัวเราไป firm เลยไปป้าในตอลิใจในสักแค่ในติ kinh cường đó bé là hu đó bé cho cái bé sập bao thế nè ok bé sập bao thế bé sập bao thế bé bán đi tao đi trả lời tại vì nó này họ ở đây chỉ lời đó nè số ở đây cái chỉตัวsa có tận đây nó bé ra cả một bé cho xong gì nhớ rồi học Fresno nó
And next they're going to hear from Shuya.
yes so tận đây nó này chị bé mua ít từ我好留到后备 from 天呢也是 program manager 天呢被和去啥么这呢嘛人到呢他做还的呢叫đây là loại nước khiến đỡ giờ đã chuyện là nè chị ta chuyện là mua được trước啥
Alright.
nhớ rằng cho nhiệt sĩ cái tiếng trà thì trong phong yêu sẽ đỡ nên nhớ tới vào tới chế cô luôn bị hoa chữ xa múa cô ấy tu program manager nhớ tới ở firm và họ lựa tới họ lu program do the wellness here và the welcome program và họ lựa tới tôi đi ý xong tới là mua了và bây họ mua nhớ đi bị sự hay là bây cô tại tại cho nhiều nhớ bị và Sierra Health Foundation và nhớ họ end the stop the hate initiative anh hôm nào của họ sẽ tôi một khi đó này cho thì và nhà tuần đây là một bé của giờ mua chỉ ba là một trâu cho nó cho mình nhiều là giờ cho nhiệt sĩ là giờ cho chế năng và tàu cho tôi muốn đi chơi nó và xong nó nhà tuần đây bé họ yêu đi chạm năng có chúa xong thâu là firm tàu ba nhớ đi cho năng và tàu cho tôi nhớ từ hồ Fresno nó và nó li lu plau hình du when lu plau hình du ở pan ngo pe na firm tàu là một cái lu resettlement agency nhớ hồ Fresno nó lu xong ta thâu là ở pan ngo pe na firm tàu ba li y buồn ngo chúa tôi năng cho năng và tàu cho tôi nhớ hồ Fresno nó firm cú sa hay tiệt cả cho nên li lu xong ở pan ngo plau nó pe sa ba li y buồn ngo sa tôi năng tôi mình nhớ từ hồ Fresno nó vậy nóเขาพูดแต่เขาเก๋ว่าป้าเขาเก๋ว่าตัวจอเนาะยัยเขายัวหังนี้เป๊ะมงแต่แบบนี่จันทร์จีนี่แต่ว่าตัวเจนี่ตัวเขาเดียยาว่าเก๋ตัวจอเนาะเนี่ยลีอยู่ราชตัวอีหยาจิตตัวลีเป็นกุศลทอก่อนในหอป้าว่าเป๊ะให้สอนเนี่ยลีพิษาในมัวว่าแล้วก็แต่เดียในมัวเนี่ยเลยตรงต่อในมัวจับปืนเตียนอย่างนี้ชี้สีแล้วเนี่ยหอสังกัดตัวหมู่ป้าตัวเลยทอดเดี๋ยวตัวสติชนอแล้วกูจะจอดอย่างเทียอย่างนั้นเป็นกูหอสป้ากันแล้วหอจนรุ่นนั้นหอเกี่ยงหมู่เดิมจีเทียในจอเนี่ยเลยพิสูจในมัวชีเหอเป็นกูสต้องการในวอลันเทียในแต่ชีเหอตัวหมู่ป้าเนี่ยเลยอยู่ว่าอยู่เจ้าตัวป้าเป็นการตรงกับตัวจมูกแล้วที่เชกันแล้วหอเต้าthế chỉ thay nữa này cho mua lao lúa như là này cũng mua là apartment như hồ Fresno nó giờ này họ nhiều ba tàu là này họ chỉ này hồ đồ bê này có hầm như này mua van mua chế là này họ bù đồ bê cái ở trên này lỡ tua một trâu là hồ là họ tàu nhỏ thia là họ cái thầu đồng đồ lần lỡ họ chỉ thay nữa này cho mua nhia này họ chỉ bỏ tất cả để này ba giờ thì này mua nhia là này họ mua này show check là tôi mua nhia donation ba lỡ là ở trên nhau là firm là giờ này ba nhia tôi mình là bê mua cho chạy hoặc là bê hay lúc còn họ bê cùi do hay là bê cùi hay lúc non profit organization thiệt bê cùi mua tàu thì họจะmua cho deduction là các chỗ này thiệtตอนนี้เราโมกุศลหาถาจอหัวเดียจะเนี่ยว่าลูจะเนี่ยเราโมดสตับเดฮีนะเขาเนี่ยเขาลูโปรแกรมว่า the wellness เที่ยว welcome เนาะไปหาป้าชิโตจะเนี่ยเราเราโมสับพ่อเราโมป้าตัวเราจอชั่วหนึ่งส่วนตัวเที่ยวเจนหนึ่งว่าจะโตเกล้วนจูอยู่เที่ยวเราจีเนียอยู่เนี่ยเขาเนาะเนี่ยเลยเราหายจำเนี่ยจะเราจีเนียอยู่họ nhớ đi cho hồ đề dù đi họ thế mà dù chỉ muốn nhia là giờ thì dù nấy thì năng pro lo chỉ nhia dù là giờ thì nhớ đi dù thôi cho năng qua xiong kha lo chỉ nhia dù thì cho nhia này là một sạp hòn bên thiệt trâu một là một trâu rồi cho năng đỡ để cái mua cho service li nhớ đi và peer support group anh cho nó giờ là một hai trâu này và giờ đây mua tết tăng bằng hồ đề lo chỉ nhia dù nó chỉ này cô hồ đồ bé mua cô tặng cho họ nói tôi một trâu này cô tung shit hạ cáiอยู่họ lúc xưa họ ca cho hai tiệm và là dù chỉ tụ năng như xí nhớ liền một trong tụ nhớ họ nó là cô trâu tăng bằng tiệm đi nói thiệt chỉ thấy là bé cô nhớ họ firm nó bé cô mua nhớ liền chỉ họ tây rau nhớ hồ phơm nó nhớ hồ Fresno nó tây giả nó giờ là một ba trò nhớ lì cho nâng và nhớ lì hồ để tôi cho tua mù nhớ lì là cô cho nâng lò là chỉ bao và nó giờ thì nhớ tao chuyện đâu nó chỉ tên bảo dù Lucia cô họ những xe thế tây giả nó giờ để mua tây giả nó và cho lại cả là họ tua mù cho và tây cái tàu sông đi hồ để vậy society họ tàu sông và cả hồ để tua mù cho để phong dư thả cái nó mua ít họ kể làอยู่họ đi ba thế giờเขาnói vậyเขาเนี่ยโหแต่เป็นโหแต่ community garden เนี่ยโหต่อเป็นกุมวลิชาเจ้าเช่นนั้นนี่นู้วัวโดยที่ว่าเตนเอาตัวเฉลี่ยก็จะสร้างหมดเกี่ยวเสียเทียสุดท้ายแล้วเป็นกุมวอีหายสีจะ case management เนี่ยเลยเป็นกุลมาหายตัวจะเนี่ยสีวัวนี่เลยนี่ตัวว่ามัวเกี่ยหัดเนี่ยกูสาบาเกิดเป็นซ้ำเป็นเขา apply เนี่ยเลย medical หรือ car fresh ตรงนี้เทียสิถอลูชีลินดูอ้อพานังก็เป็นนะถอแล้วว่ามัวแพนดมิกนะถอแต่แล้วเนี่ยลีมัวชัวมัวจ้องตัวนั่งกูจะต้อง medical เนี่ยลีไม่เชียร์เราได้หมู่ปงหัวหมอตาเดี๋ยวเลยจะชิมัว medical นอนแล้วมาเป้าเดี๋ยวเราชีมัว medical จะถอสิถอลูว่าแพนดมิกนอนแล้วกูมัวเป็นกูมัวจ้องตัวนั่งว่ากูหัดเดียแล้วกูจะต้องมัวอัจฉริยะนู่เราจะ medical นะบีเราเขาจะรัฐบาลเนี่ยแคลิฟอร์เนียเนาะแล้วก็มัวจะอเมริกาเนาะหัดเดียหนึ่งกูมัวตัวเสดนั่นจะเป็นตัวว่าหัดเดียมุดโซเชียลเป็นราคาหมดวินูตัวละจะถอดแพนด้าเมกเท่าเนาะจะก็เป็นมัวจะชิงว่าเจ้าล้านตัวนั่งเนี่ยของแคลิฟอร์เนียเนาะที่ลีชิมัวจะอเมริกาเนาะสปอร์เนี่ยของแคลิฟเนี่ยของฟรัสโนนะเป็นมัวลิชีปวดตัวผาตัวนั่งว่าเจ้าชีตัวชินอชิมัวอเมริกาจะยาลีนอยจะอีกคนอยจะหัวจะที่ลีมัวเตยจะนอยจะละหมกวัวตัวไอ้ยันนี่ต้องการกับหูเนี่ยต้องการกับไปหาป้านี่ละหมูอัพพลายโดยจะไม่ได้แคลเชียนนะเทียนั่นแหละเนี่ยหูตัวมูติเฟิร์มเนี่ยไปหาป้านี่นะเทียที่จิตานะแล้วกูมัวเนี่ยหอมไม่ได้แคลนะแล้วกูมัวที่ยาละหอมมัวว่าอีหนูจ๋าเลยเนี่ยลิปีศาจเลยหันเดียละมัวเนี่ยลิจ่อว่าเนี่ยลิจะนั่งกับเจ้าชงสปอร์ตจะจั่วชงนอเจแล้วกูหาเดียแล้วยาเดียเนี่ยลิหนูตัวสติเชนอยากจะชิมัวเนี่ยลิต้องเดินเนี่ยติเชนอนั่นแหละเนี่ยลีก็อัพพลายตัวละมัวจะ full medical อันนี้ละมัวจะละหัวจะ full scope medical เราตัวเสด็จนะก็เนี่ยฮะอันนี้เขาเชื่อได้ที่ยันเนี่ยฮะจะเนี่ยมัวจะมีตัวมีอยู่ฮะเนี่ยจะละจะนั่งก็ที่นั่งจ้าฮะเนี่ยย่อเรารู้สึกย่อตัวเขาเชิญนั่งก็เปล่าส่งหมดตัวเปล่าจะช่วยส่งเราเนี่ยหัวตัวหมดเทียที่จุดทางนั้นละมวยคอแล้วกูหายเตียนเนี่ยเลยจะละหัวจะ access elimination นั่นนะว่าถูเนี่ยเลยเป็นเนี่ยถูเนี่ยเป็น apply medical มาเนี่ยไปซื้อหายเตียเนี่ยเด็กก็จะ qualify ตัวแล้วนั่นมาก็จะจุดที่ซ้ำมัวว่ามัวเชมัวรู้ไฟเชียร์ตัวเจนอนเจนเนี่ยนอนแล้วมัวเต้นแล้วมัวถอดตาแล้วเนี่ยก็มัวรู้ไฟตัวรู้จะเชียร์ก็มัวเนี่ยต่อแบ่งข้าวที่ก็มัวเชนตัวรู้หรออาจจะเต้นแล้วนึกชี้ยาเดี๋ยวแล้วมัวอีกคนจะละมัววัวตัวอยู่กับอยู่ที่นี่ชี qualify ตัว medical ที่อยากก็มัวที่อยากตลอดก็ยัง qualify medical ที่อยากวิธีเขาเดี๋ยวเด็กก็โอ้โหรู้เองก็ยังยังรีชีจอที่ขอเลยเราขอเราต้องการซื้ออย่างเจเลยมัว medical เราต้องกดที่อยากเทียบว่าไม่ขอกูหาสาขาในให้เดียเนี่ยเลยต่อเฟิร์มเตะเป็นกูมัวอีจะใช่เลยอีจะตู้แล้วกูเคลียร์จอเนี่ยเลยแล้วกูเคลียร์จอเนี่ยเลยให้เดียอยู่มัวเกณฑ์เฉลี่ยเราอย่าลีให้เดี๋ยวล้วนรู้จะอยู่ละอันนี้กูหาตัวต่อไปเคยจะ workshop ตรงนี้ให้จะอยู่มุดต่อตรงนี้ฉันเดาอยู่ที่ลิจิตรู้เราอย่าล้วนรู้อยู่แล้วนอนเลยเคยอยู่ตรงนี้แต่อย่าอยู่จะ report ที่จะยันลีเนี่ยต่อเฟิร์มไปกูว่าเขาหลุดดอนยันลีจะตำรวจเนี่ยเขา facility อย่าเลยกูอย่าจะอยู่มั่วเกณฑ์ชนรู้ที่จะเนี่ยแล้วกูแล้วต่อป้าไปให้จะไปกับป้าไปโตหมดเสียอย่าคนละอย่าลิจะเทียเนี่ยที่เฟิร์มเป็นกูมัวให้เขาจะเคลียร์จะเนี่ยลีเนี่ยจะเนี่ยสิก็ที่นังจะเสด็จจะให้จะเนี่ยลีรวมมัวเกจินอยู่อย่าอยู่ซา report 到了到底呀天เนี่ยเขา first no เนาะเป็นนี่ซาว่า report ตัวตำรวจละ到底呀天เขาจิตาเนี่ยไป stay แล้วนี่ซา report ไป stay แล้วยัง到底呀นะนี่จิตสามวันนี่เต็มไปตัวเรายัง到底呀天นี่ช่วยเดี๋ยวนี่ report เขาเดี๋ยวก็เราเป้าเดี๋ยวเนี่ย first no เนาะเนี่ยนี่เราอยู่ชิมวนหนึ่งอีจะนั่งเนี่ยอยู่จะนั่งตัดด้าละเนี่ยเขาจะวิเขาเดี๋ยวจะมาอยู่เราจะมาอย่าเตรียมอยู่นอนยังนั่งเสียงข้าเลยจ้ะแต่อย่านอนแต่อย่าเขาเตรียม ในยิ่งวิพากษ์ตกที่อย่างนั้นก็นอกูว่าเดียก็ช่วงอพานั่งกับเรานอก็ไปชวนชวนตัวตัวไก่จะเกยนอการยอง เกชิลูเทียเกหอสังอุจจนดาว
FIRM HL is a part of a citywide coalition that aims to close the vaccination gaps in underserved racial areas with high risk and ethnic minority populations in urban Fresno County. HL began its journey at FIRM in August 2021. The overarching goals of the HL program were to, number one, to increase adult understanding of health-related concepts and practices. Number two, to increase poor communication between adults and their healthcare provider. And number three, to help adults be more involved in their health needs. We have met these goals in several ways.
August 2022 to August 2023, FIRM AHL also hosted a series of health education workshops that included topics such as navigating the healthcare system and patient rights, hypertension, mental health and self-care, diabetes, hepatitis B, presbycusis, which is hard of hearing due to old age, and UV safety. Many community members have expressed how impactful and beneficial these workshops were to them because it was hard for them to have these conversations with their doctor and gain a thorough understanding.
Exercise is a really important aspect of every treatment routine. It is recommended for adults to have at least 150 minutes of moderate, intense physical activity per week. To encourage this practice, we held yoga classes for community members and also took them out on an outdoor day at Woodward Park. The outdoor day consists of activities such as a water relay, stretching, and a dance circle. In honor of Mental Health Awareness Month, we also incorporated a scavenger hunt and a duck feeding session to promote mindfulness in nature.
In July 2023, our program worked closely with UCSF SJV Prime medical students and a cohort of aspiring medical healthcare providers to host the very first Hmong Health and Culture Fair at FIRM titled thiab, which means a collaboration to protect. The goal of this event was to improve health literacy and preventative measures in the Hmong community in a fun and culturally responsive manner. There were dance performances, raffle prizes donated by many organizations, health and community resources, and food and cultural vendors. We also had guest appearances by Miss Hmong USA Amy Moore, Miss Hmong California Lindsay Vang, and Miss Central California Pajal Lor, along with our guest note speaker Dr. Sing Sai Zhong, speaking on healthcare disparities and equity.
ดีใจขอบใจที่ได้มาฮู้จักกับองค์การเฟิร์มและก็ดีใจที่องค์การเฟิร์มได้ซัพพอร์ตได้พาไปเรียนหลายอย่างที่ว่าได้มีโอกาสไปภาคแล้วก็ได้ญาติพี่น้องได้ประสบการณ์ได้กินข้าวสามัคคีแล้วก็ได้เรียนรู้จากหมู่ครูเห็นญาติพี่น้องแต่ละคนพี่น้องมงพี่น้องคัมโบเดียนแล้วก็คนลาวเฮาได้มีความปรองดองกัน ได้ไปเฮ็ดเวียกร่วมกันได้แยกกันย่างเนาะก็คือว่าคนลาวก็ได้ไปกับคัมโบเดียนไปกับคนมองก็ได้ไปกับคนลาวเป็นกลุ่มไปเนาะแล้วเขาก็ได้เรียนรู้หลายอย่างในการที่เขามาอยู่อเมริกานี่ประสบการณ์ชีวิตของเขาเป็นแบบไหนองค์การเฟิร์มก็ขอบใจที่มีองค์การนี้เกิดขึ้นแล้วลูกหลานทุกคนได้มีความรู้และก็มาช่วยเหลือให้พ่อแม่พี่น้องเขาในการที่มีความเบิกบานมวลซื่นได้สอนพวกเขามีความคิดที่ดีบ่ให้ซึมเศร้าบ่ให้เสียใจถ้ามีปัญหาอย่างก็มาหาแล้วก็ได้ช่วยขอบใจหลายๆ
เข็นแต่อันเด่นกูขาดกูถูกเข่งจริงกูลงไปหอยเนี่ยนั่งทอดไอ้กูย่อเฟสตอนเดย์ดูแลฮะที่สิกูเต้าโตก่อนก็รู้ก็ห้องเฟิร์มเนาะอยากให้ดูคือมือดีเฟรนชิพเนี่ยจอเนเบอร์เนาะป้าจากคือที่นี่จะสเปเชียลิสต์จะซีเนียร์มีกูขาดเต้าจานเต้าอย่างเกี่ยนก้าวหูมันจอเกี่ยมอกเกี่ยเตียนเดินเกิดขึ้นตัวอย่างยอดจะเกิดมีเจ้าทุบปีเกี่ยวขาดูต่อเพราะที่รู้ที่อีเหี่ยวเนาะนั่นเป็นอีแบบกุศลแต่เขาเกิดจากที่ใช่เนี่ยตัวที่เขียนเราสุดเลยกูโมเกี่ยมอกเกี่ยเงี้ยตัวอย่างได้เสียขอเกิดจากการที่เราได้อย่างที่ขอmajor impact 比较老了，莫能用那点那个个有到ใส่ที่ของนอนได้ไปดีที่เนี่ยเกิดปั้นจุดเข่งอากาศตอนชวนช้าเลยเนาะอยู่ช้าเลยคือนักการยองได้เสียเนาะแต่อยู่การช้าที่ยองนั่นมาโอ้จุดจะเราโยนช้าเลยเนี่ยนะนักกุศลแต่เขานอนอย่างนี้ปั้นเตาได้เสียเขาเกิดแต่เมื่ออีกูสารแต่ปั้นเตากูเกิดให้อยากเขาเกิดได้ไปดีคอนโทรลนะ
dùng xe tàu tất cả lần gì đi ý dùng sai sự và thế cái xe thì nên cô giờ tàu xe để biết có sống hơn nó thì dùng xe hay thì cô mua được chào ở bây giờ program manager thế executive director cô tuần gì nên hơn nó và thế cái xe thì nên cô bảo hay thì con hauv firm kinh cử li chặt tàu li chặt khi bây giờ program thế bây giờ đây nữ bây cô đã chỉ giờ từ bắt đầu sát từ nên là và thế này cho tôi cùng theo lời hết tôn thì cái bán là con hauv firm rồi là nên là nên cô giờ chắc cả tôi thế này cho họ chỉ tàu tôi là bây giờ là và thế cái xe hay thì nên cô giờ cho xe là tôn chỉ bây giờ thế này tông cả cái bán đi nó ý chỉ đi chung ý chỉ cho bùa cho bảo lo con hauv firm nhưng đầu tiên thì chú ý là thợ bị bắt bên refugees giờ hay thì bị bắt bên refugees nhớ đâu bị đối lồng tiền nó chỉ sinh nhà tư chỉ tao mua nhà tư nó lo thôi cho nên cô tuân theo con hauv firm thả từ chú ý hay thì bây giờ thợ bị bắt bên thợ cho còn dễ ý kỹ lý giải rồi muốn gì là cô tao giờ li nó từ đây nó tôi xong ở pan gạo blau rồi giờ hạt tiệt xong bé cho xong được con hauv firm bé cô chỉ nhận ban đầu nhận được trả chữ sen tôi xong nó giờ li nó cô thọ chân cô khu cho nên giờ ôn nhớ chỉ là nên giờ không dễ và nên cô tàu tua thì cái bán là con hauv firm đó là nên sao tua biển đi ra đan nên hạt tiệt con hauv firm bắt tàu nên đi chả bắt tàu nên nhà tư bỏ bột tàu này luôn nên đi chả nên là cụ thọ chân cô khu nên khu tuân theo cụ thả cụ sa muốn đi chợ đan nên tính chơi theo tính kia có hạt tiệt bé lúc con hauv firm cô bỏ hạt tiệt bé cô bé thấy đen nữ cô bắt tàu lên chơi rú cho đi chả giờ nó cụ thong cô khu này ý chúng sai sẽ đời lấy hạt tiệt này mới được phun cái từ này bỏ hạt tiệt cô tàu tôi thì cái bán là con hauv firm này cô chỉ tao thì dùng cho họ được luôn nên là cô sắp bịa ra nên là khu tuân theo cụ thả bây giờ số đông về con hauv cô giờ chỉ cho lão ý xa ý chỉ sinh sản thằng này khu tua này cô hay cho nên tới số đông hay tiệt nên sắp bịa này ra nên cho các sống long này ạ trên này ra nên hay tiệt này tua về con hauv firm nên thì tao kể ba lý trả về cô sản nông này ra nên thọ chờ nên khu tua giờ hay tiệt cô tua tôi xuống ít cho chụp bộ cho dọc đó nó là pin sắm nó cái gen nên có tôi cho không nó là cái sắm nó cái gen nên này ạ chứ sáng bây giờ tình chuyện kia cho đến nên từ cho bây pháp bên nên thì bây giờ nên còn tính tàu lên tàu này ạ ấy giờ lên nó này chị ô châu cho nên lúc chứ sáng và thế chị xia hạt tiền ở lúc tiền đến đây nó ở lúc đến đây nó nên cứ đặt cái tiền là cùng học firm lúc xia hẳn được Hmong TV bây cô hay ở lúc thứ hai ý cho nó Wednesday thật có emotion sao cho bây giờ ý cho gì để nó có cái số thọ và thế chị xia thì bây giờ xin gì cho bây cùng học firm xin gì đó.
So happy birthday, Firm. It is great to be here and to celebrate with you.
Birthday, Firm. We're really excited for the next 30 years and we'll be there.
Happy birthday, Firm. Congratulations on the 30 years. Hi there, this is Diane, President and CEO of Big Brothers Big Sister. We want to wish Firm a very happy birthday. Happy birthday!